Why I watch Off Grid with Doug and Stacey? Oh my goodness, let me count the reasons. Every single video is awesome. One just blew my mind. And in this video, I'll tell you what that was. Thanks for watching, everyone. My name is Jeff, ArizonaHotHomestead. And today I'm talking about why I watch Off Grid with Doug and Stacey. First off, amazing couple. Doug, very entertaining. A little bit of a dry sense of humor, but humorous guy. Stacey, beautiful, keeps him in line. Awesome tips. Every single time you watch their stuff, they've got great information. Stacey's got good cooking videos. She's got fermenting vegetable videos, kombucha. In fact, they don't even have a refrigerator, guys. They live off grid. No solar, no electricity. Imagine doing YouTube videos with no solar. Doug can do it. That's how cool they are. So she's got some beauty tips. She's got some other health-related videos. Apple cider vinegar, homemade for Doug's feet. They plow the fields with horses. They've got raised gardens, producing vegetables like crazy. Outdoor kitchen. They got a greenhouse. He's built his cabin with his own two hands and no kit. Just amazing stuff. Chickens, the tips on chickens, the breeds and the feed, and it's just endless on all the information that you're going to get when you watch Doug and Stacey. But there's one piece that just blew my mind. Just amazing. I looked after I watched that video. I watched it like 2 or 3 times. I went on the internet. I could not find anything like it. Nowhere on the internet like what he just did. Let me show you what he did.
That's it, isn't it? So this is the log cabin that we built, and this is a bigger version of what I just showed you guys on how to make your tiny house look like a log cabin. So as you can see, it looks very similar. You can achieve the same look of the log cabin without the weight.
Wow, wasn't that a mind-blowing idea, folks? Oh my goodness. Taking T111, not going vertically like everyone else, and instead going horizontal. Wow, I have not been able to find that anywhere on the internet. He's the only one I've been able to find. He's unique. Wow. I'm going to implement that idea. It's so cool because I've got a room here that I'm going to enclose this summer. I'm going to implement that idea this summer. So you got to stay tuned for that. But you also got to check out Doug and Stacey if you haven't already. Every single video. Awesome tips, great information, some of it mind-blowing. My name is Jeff, and you've been watching Arizona Hot Homestead. See you, bye, have fun.